Hello everyone, this is my review of the Yupik organic tricolor quinoa. The mix of colors, white, red, black, makes dishes pop. It's not just plain looking quinoa. The texture is nice. When cooked right, about 15 minutes, it fluffs up nicely. Each grain stays a bit distinct, and it doesn't turn mushy. It also has good credentials: organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and kosher. I've used it as a side dish, in grain bowls, and even tossed it into salads. It holds up well when mixed with other ingredients. Some things to keep in mind: you'll want to rinse it before cooking to reduce bitterness. Also, for deep cooking or large batches, you may need to adjust the water ratio to avoid getting too soft. This tricolor quinoa adds flavor, nutrition, and visual interest to meals. It's become one of my go-to grains now. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.